Hello everyone. Eating is a necessity of all living beings. But eating in a healthy manner is a choice that we have to make. It is in our best interest that we choose healthy eating over eating junk food or packaged food all the time. Especially given these times of the COVID-19 pandemic, wherein we all need to boost our immunity and become even healthier, such that when faced with the COVID-19, we can fight it off. Also, we are resistant or strong enough to fight off any future infections that intend to cause us harm. A very important point to remember while trying to eat healthy is that it should come naturally and not as a burden on our mind and body. Especially given these times when we all are indoors with very little domestic help or no domestic help available, we have to do things on our own. So today I am here to help you with some tips and tricks that you can employ, which would aid in your eating and preparing dishes in a healthy manner. Try using fresh fruits, vegetables, eggs, milk and milk products quicker and faster since they are perishable items. In case you have more than you need, either share it with the needy or preserve it in a manner that you can use them for later use. Preserving green leafy vegetables like spinach, fenugreek, that's methi, amaranth leaves, mustard leaves, the best way is to blanch them and then freeze them. This way, their nutrients would remain intact and they would keep for a longer period of time. Another way to store a spinach could be to make a puree out of it. You can freeze that puree into small portions and take out those small portions as and when you need them. Dry ingredients which are non-perishables like pulses, legumes, flours, they can be stored for a longer duration of time and can be used in your dishes to enhance the carbohydrate and protein content of dishes. It's best to store them in airtight containers to avoid spoilage of any kind. A quick tip to enhance the nutritive quality of your regular atta could be to supplement it with a little bit of besan, that's gram flour, soya bean flour, millet flours and the likes. This way you would enhance the protein content of the flour, and when used in rotis, parathas, etc., it would provide you a better form of protein in your diet. Another very handy ingredient that we all have in our kitchens is our suji or semolina. Suji can be used in a variety of ways to supplement the dishes and provide a texture to them. It is a great alternative to whip up excellent breakfast options. Try to use a lot of vitamin C in your foods, especially these days, because vitamin C is an excellent nutrient to boost your immunity. Vitamin C is present in citrus fruits like oranges, sweet lime, that's mosmi, in lemons, limes, grapefruits, etc. In case you bought a fridge full of lemons, and of course you would not be able to consume them in a go, what you could do is squeeze out the lemon juice and preserve them as lemon juice ice cubes. Each ice cube would be packed with the goodness of vitamin C, and you can take them out as and when needed to make a quick refreshing glass of lemonade or Nibu Pani, or you could use it to squeeze in your dishes to add a dose of vitamin C. Also, orange peel or lemon peel can be grated and used as an excellent fragrance and aroma enhancer in your dishes. Amla or Indian gooseberry is the richest form of vitamin C known. You could use it by taking out the amle ka juice and have it every day to give you the instant boost of a vitamin C rich drink, or you could dice the Indian gooseberry or amla and saute it with a little bit of salt and turmeric, and that can keep in the fridge for a few days and had as a pickle-like condiment with your food. Another way to supplement your meals by providing a nutrient boost to them would be to add ingredients like soya bean, fenugreek seeds, amla, various combination of pulses, green leafy vegetables like spinach, carrots, beans, peas, to your regular dal or dalia or nutri khichdi. That way your regular dishes would become extra special, a little creative, and highly beneficial for your health. I hope after hearing to these tips and tricks, your life would become a little easier and you would be able to make delicious, healthy dishes for yourself and your family.